What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. And Google has pushed out a brand new update for the Samsung Galaxy phones and many other Android phones, and this adds a brand new feature. Let me show you where exactly this is. Let's go to the settings, and here let's tap on Google services. We got recommended in all services. Tap on all services here. We got many options available over here. Scroll all the way down. You will see this brand new option called contextual suggestions. Now this feature may or may not be appearing on your device. Now if I check this feature on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, I'm not able to see that. Let's go to Google services here and tap on all services. Now if I scroll down here, we do not have that feature. I just see the developer option here, and right below that we have got other option, contextual suggestions, which is showing up on my S25 Ultra here. Now let me tell you what exactly this does. Let's tap on this. It says get helpful suggestions from your apps and services based on your routine activities and locations. For example, your music app might suggest a playlist at the gym that you often listen to during your evening workout. Now this could be a game-changing feature for some of you out there, but some of you guys may not want the AI to recognize your daily tasks and suggest you these contextual suggestions. We do have a toggle here, use contextual suggestions. If you don't want it, you can turn it off. But if you want these suggestions, then you can keep this turned on. By default, it is turned on. If it is not turned on, you can go ahead and turn it on. It uses the device location, and we also have manage your data. When you tap on that, you get an option to delete all the stored data. The data used for contextual suggestions stays on your device for 60 days and is then automatically deleted. You can also manually delete your data if you do not want this data to be stored over here. You can also notice here, this is important, contextual suggestions works in an encrypted space on your device. Unless you give permission to share your data for some other purpose, the data used for contextual suggestion is never shared with apps or Google and never leaves your device. So this is something very important to note here. It processes on device, and all these suggestions are not going to leave your device unless you give permission to it. Here it says how it works. When contextual suggestions are on, device activity and location data are stored in an encrypted space on your device. In this space, AI learns from the data and makes predictions about what might be helpful to you. For example, if you often cast sports games to your living room TV on Saturdays, your device can suggest casting at the right time. That is really amazing, right? Now, apps and services can't see this data but can use the predictions to offer your timely suggestions. That's another thing to note here. Now, this could be a game-changing feature for a lot of you guys out there. And for Android phones, getting suggestions at the right time just before we need it sounds really amazing, right? Now, that is something new which has been added on the Galaxy phones. Like I said, this is showing up on my S25 Ultra, not on my S26 Ultra yet. It is supposed to be first on the Pixel devices. I think on Pixel it's already there, and for the Samsung and other Android devices also it's rolling out. Go ahead and check this out. If you don't want this feature, do disable this. That's all I have here. If you like these kind of contents and want to stay updated with all the new updates, tips and tricks, etc., then be sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to download the wallpaper application Wallverse. I have just added a brand new category here called Glass. There are some beautiful glass wallpapers here on this category. Do go ahead and check it out. The link for the app is in the description. Do hit that like button if you want to appreciate this video. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.